Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 27 and 28. Shutting out all external contacts and fixing the gaze as though between the eyebrows, equalizing the outgoing and incoming breath, moving within the nostrils.
Chapter 5, Shloka 27. Sparshan kritva bahirbahyan sakchuchchaivantare bhruvoh pranabano samo kritva nasabhyantaracharino.
With senses, mind and intellect ever controlled, having liberation as his supreme goal, free from desire, fear and anger, the sage is verily liberated forever.
Chapter 5, Shloka 28. Yadendriyamano buddhihi munirmokshaparayanaha vigadechabhayakrodo yasada muktayeva saha.
Chapter 5, Shloka number 27 and 28. The conditions to be met for realization of the bliss of perfection and what such a man would do afterwards were explained as free from desires and anger, control of thoughts, destruction of sins, vasanas, free from pairs of opposites, realization of the self-experience of bliss within and without, and intent on the welfare of all beings. In the following shlokas, the path of meditation or dhyana yoga, which for a prepared seeker is the most efficient means to right knowledge, is introduced. The next chapter is totally devoted to dhyana yoga, and in these two verses, Lord is giving a summary of the next chapter 6 by outlining the total process for liberation. The above verses give a detailed picture of a man of perfection. True students of Vedanta are not satisfied with an idea, but are keen to live a more purposeful, efficient and effective life, as they want to live and experience the ideal. A perfect mental equipoise can be achieved by complete integration of the personality, achieved through the path of meditation. The outside world enters in us through our senses and mars our tranquility, which required for meditation. We can get disturbed by the objects only when we are in contact with them. Vedanta achieves the blocking of the contact by a discrete intellectual detachment from our mental reactions to the external world of objects instead of physical plugging of the senses. When we are in deep thought, we lift our head to a 45-degree angle to our backbone, facing forward, but with closed eyes, thinking within. Similar is the instruction for shutting the external contacts by fixing the gaze between the eyebrows. There is a connection of the mind with our breath. So, by equalizing our breath in our nostrils, we can control our mental thought conditions. These are mainly physical adjustments. For subtle adjustments of the senses, mind and intellect, Lord says that after they have been controlled and are free from desire, fear and anger, choose the Supreme as the goal to be liberated forever, soon. Thus, when we have made all the adjustments mentioned above at all personality levels, and when we sit in contemplation of the self, we become released from all our misunderstandings and come to experience the freedom of Godhood in due time. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.